What is a commercial virtual insurance? Commercial virtual insurance covers your commercial virtual against different types of external damage like theft, accident, natural claim, along with personal as well third party liability. Who need commercial virtual insurance in India? Any person or business entity enjoining a virtual in any commercial activity and a commercial virtual insurance, for instance virtual search as tax auto risks how commercial too, while a truck, passenger bus, school bus, truck, commercial when any passenger carrier virtual. Good coverage virtual construction equivalent or any other heavy virtual need a commercial virtual insurance to legally pay on rates on any commercial site. Who do we need commercial virtual insurance? We require commercial virtual insurance in India for the following reason. It provides financial aid in case your commercial virtual individual in an accident. It is a mandatory by law at least have a liability or only either third party policy for your commercial virtual. Types of commercial virtual insurance policy.